morning everyone, it's Presley of ActOutGames.com here, and today we are in our hotel in LA, and we're eating breakfast. I have pancakes on the way, and I have several pastries, bowl of oatmeal which I already consumed, and some fruit. Yeah, I really like food.
I love oatmeal.
Yeah, Cooper likes it.
No.
Cooper, where are we going?
We're going to the beach.
What beach?
Up this mountain.
Up the mountain beach?
How do you make glass, Daddy? Yeah.
You melt the sand.
How do you milk the sand?
Melt, not milk. You can't milk the sand. You think glass is sand milk?
That was a really fun time at the beach. The water was freezing.
Pretty cool.
Yeah.
But it was nice to sit on the beach and recharge, soak in some sun. So we gotta go run a couple of other things. We're gonna meet some people, maybe do a couple of things here in LA. So we're gonna get our day started, and then we'll probably end up at the pool in a little while, right?
Yeah, you can see my face because of my hair right now.
Yeah, let's go start our
It's a
real
little
day.
sandy too. Look at there.
Okay, let's go start our day.
We're back from In-N-Out Burger, and now we're hanging out at the pool. And yeah, I'm having lunch where I'm just kind of swimming around. Cooper brought, can I have it, Prince? The ball? Hey, I need it for the vlog. Cooper brought this ball that we got at Comic-Con. So we're playing around with that and having fun.
The emoji ball.
The emoji ball. Yeah.
The pool's a little cold.
Is it?
It's not terrible.
Why is everything cold today? It's warm.
The ocean is super cold. Pinch your nose. Hold your breath. Ready?
It's gonna get in my eyes.
Just close your eyes and pinch your nose. Ready? 1, 2. Did you do it? I think you did it. I think you're on camera. Yay!
It's in my
You're my little
eye.
bowl cut.
It's in my eye.
I can't see
You
anything.
got a bow.
No, that made a weird haircut for Daddy. Alright. Oh, you want to do it?
Yeah, can you do it? 'Cause I hold on to it.
Pop goes the wheel.
We got back from the pool.
Like day 2 in LA.
Yeah. And we watched the new Doctor Who as well as the one that came out last week.
There's 2 Doctor Who's and half a class.
Yes.
Where we were chilling out after we got back from the
I didn't pay
pool.
much attention to the class, so I started
Got some room
Space
service?
Opera. Yeah.
Just kind of chilling out.
Chicken nugget.
Tomorrow we're going to do a couple of fun things in LA for Mommy's birthday and Mother's Day.
Yeah.
And then tomorrow evening we fly back home.
You
ready to go home? See Domino?
I see Domino
Clyde
Clyde. My computer.
My Miss Clyde.
I miss my computer.
You miss your computer?
Yeah.
Skype.
I want to play Overwatch.
I want to play PlayerUnknown's Battlegrounds.
I haven't played that yet.
It's a lot of fun. So yeah, tomorrow you guys could come tag along. We'll go to La Brea Tar Pits, I think.
Ooh, I love Overwatch.
Presley really liked La Brea when we were here several years ago for Vidcon. I think that's what we're going to do. And then we'll go just to the airport after that probably. But that'll be Mommy. Mommy, when she was little, when she was younger, used to really love the La Brea Tar Pits, apparently. And so we're going to take her there for her birthday and Mother's Day. As part of her gift. And we should have another gift waiting when we get back home, I think. We'll check it out.
Is it
It's gonna be pretty cool.
gift?
I think we're all going to be exhausted by the time we get home, so we may not do it until tomorrow. Or till the next day. But she'll have it, yeah? Awesome.
I'm not sure what this is, but yay.
Let's go to bed.
So yeah, thank you for watching. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.
Bye, guys.